The 1966 Bosley Interstate Mark II is a singular American grand touring automobile, conceived, designed, and largely hand-built by Richard Bosley, a self-taught automotive enthusiast and professional horticulturist from Mentor, Ohio. With no formal engineering education, Bosley relied on period automotive literature, personal experimentation, and an exceptional level of determination to create a car that blended American power with European-inspired design and long-distance comfort. The origins of the Interstate Mark II trace back to Bosley's first creation, the 1953 Bosley Mark I GT. That fiberglass-bodied prototype earned international attention in the 1950s and was driven more than 100,000 miles by Bosley himself. In the late 1950s, Bosley traded the Mark I for the chassis of a 1956 Chevrolet Corvette raced at the 12 Hours of Sebring by Raceway Enterprises. This competition-bred foundation became the structural basis for his second and more ambitious project. Development of the Interstate Mark II spanned nearly 9 years and approximately 5,500 man-hours. Bosley envisioned a refined grand touring coupe optimized for America's expanding interstate highway system. The car retained the Corvette's 102-inch wheelbase but was extensively modified and reinforced, including the integration of a built-in roll bar. Power came from a 389 cubic inch Pontiac V8 equipped with Tri-Power carburation, producing 345 horsepower, and paired with a Corvette-sourced 4-speed manual transmission. A 35-gallon fuel tank supported extended high-speed travel. The hand-laid fiberglass body was entirely unique and complemented by European-sourced components, including seats and bumper elements. The Interstate incorporated safety features uncommon in the mid-1960s: seat belts, headrests, tempered side glass, a smoke-tinted rear window, anti-lift windshield wipers, improved lighting, and enhanced interior visibility. Finished in candy apple red, the completed car debuted publicly in 1966 and was invited to the Henry Ford Museum's 1967 Sports Cars in Review exhibition. Despite favorable press, the Interstate Mark II never entered production. The one-off prototype eventually fell into obscurity and was discovered disassembled in an abandoned warehouse in the early 1990s. In 2015, Stephen and Kim Bruno acquired the remains and commissioned a meticulous restoration, guided by original documentation, photographs, and film provided by the Bosley family. Restored to as-built specification, the car debuted at the 2017 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, earning second-in-class honors. Today, the 1966 Bosley Interstate Mark II stands as a rare example of post-war American coach building, representing ingenuity, perseverance, and the vision of a single individual who challenged conventional automotive boundaries.